Here we are, just pulling in. I believe it's this house here. I might need to clean up a bit of snow. So we were at the right property. I got that front entrance cleaned up. Just driving in here now. See that stick over there? That's where we got to dig our hole. So we're gonna go ahead and clean up a bit of snow around. Alright, so we're about, I'd say about 18 inches, maybe almost 20 inches or so. Quite a bit of topsoil in there. Little rusty on the forestick. Not just that, but also it's freezing cold when I got the window open, so you guys can have a better view, so appreciate that. So gotta get this hole down to at least 5 feet deep. I'd say we're got to be close to about 4. Let me get some throttle up here. It's a little stiff on the throttle. Fishing for something here. I'm assuming it's a big rock. Yeah. try and keep all the dirt in one pile. At least minimize completely, totally freezing. Okay, I think we're more than deep enough there. That's got to be close to 6 feet now. As long as we're over 5, we're good. Woo, it's nippy. Friggin' cold. You can see the steam coming off the dirt. Gonna have to give her the old jog it forward. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. Yep, we're still recording. We're good. Need to be perfect, all right? So spare me the judgment. Just has to be a hole that they can access, get a sample, and get out. And carve in some half-assed steps here. Liking this angle, so I'm gonna switch us over a bit. Okay, there we go. It's pretty good. Back over. Let me just clean up a bit at the front, and I think we're all done here. This was a house that used to be here. It's got demoed. That's the old basement, as you can tell. They're going to be putting in a monster house, much bigger than the one that was here. This is just a little over a 1 acre lot here. Actually, right next to a golf course. So it's all surrounded by golf course here. And yeah, so they're going to be building a big house. So it's been sitting here for a bit. Now they need to do a new soil core sample here, and that's essentially all we were doing here today. It's just coming down to get a hole about 5 feet down. So you see our very up to code steps here, where you come down, take one step, a little bit down ramp again, and another step, and now you're down in the hole. See? Yeah, that's right about, actually I think we're just under 6 feet. Let me stand in here. and I'm just over the top of this. So yeah, I'd say we're very close to, we're definitely over our 5 feet deep in there. So this is what a hole 5 feet deep down looks like. Nice and wide. And there's our beautiful girl up there. God, look at that thing. She's so gorgeous. It's my favorite machine. Fun fact, my very first email I ever had was named after this machine. Case 580K. Such a beaut. This is what started my love for machines. This baby right here. I'm a little rusty with the 4 stick in the back, but I always enjoy getting back on this thing and running it. I don't think I've actually operated the boom in about a year on this machine. It's mostly just parked these days at our yard, but I love any opportunity to get out and use this thing. So nostalgic for me. So if you guys enjoyed watching that, we'll catch you in the next one. Make sure to give us a like, subscribe if you're new, and we'll see you later, Dirty Diggers.